Alright, next is my, I think 2012, yeah, 2012 Honda HHT 35S. This is my only trimmer that is a 4-stroke. So, takes actual oil. The Honda GX35 motor, 35cc overhead cam. Hasn't been started in a while. I think. Okay, I think I do have an address for startup. So we'll see how she starts on. Choke right there. Alright, so the last trimmer I will be starting is the Husqvarna 128 CD trimmer with the Taurus stretch shaft trimmer attachment on. I just don't like using the curve shaft at all. My shaft has, the power head shaft has rusted due to, I don't know what it was from, but it's not good. Anyway, I've had it for like over 2 years, almost 3 actually. Yeah, I bought it brand new at Lowe's on sale for $130. That was a good deal. So yeah, so 28cc 2-stroke. It's the same engine as a Husqvarna 125 BBX handheld blower. So we'll see. It starts running just last night. So we'll give it a couple times. 5 is fine. not bad. And as for a bonus startup, I'll give you guys a startup on my Br420. Alright, so let's see. Yes, she does. It's been sitting out all night. It's very cold. Let's see. Sure. Yeah, cold starting the bots below the great. And I cold starting Husqvarna trimmer and all these three. They all started and went beautifully. So, pretty good, I'd say. A great day out there. Yeah, so hope you guys like this video and I'll see you later.